Hello and welcome again to another lesson. So in this lesson, we quickly take a look at the JavaScript string charCodeAt. So it is how you get a Unicode equivalent value of a character from your string. The charCodeAt method returns the code of the character at a specified index in a string. So the method returns a UTF-16 code, an integer between 0 and 655,035. So let's take a look at what UTF-16 code is in the browser. So if you have something like if you search for UTF-16 code in your browser, you see UTF-16 is a character encoding system that uses 16-bit code unit to represent Unicode code point. It can use a single 16-bit unit for character in the basic multilingual range, such as A, U plus 0041, or pair of units called a surrogate pair for character entire code points in the supplementary plane, such as the emoji. So you can represent emoji that we used to see as something like an image, actually a representation of a Unicode. So you can read more about this to understand what Unicode means, but it's a kind of a way of, showing the computer a character, a way of transforming your expression into a machine readable and understandable language. So if you take a look at what I was showing us the other time, I said the method return a UTF-16 code, an integer between 0 and 655 to 05. So see an example below. Let text is hello world. Let char text.char code at 0. So let's take a look at this example in the code, and let me do let text equals what? Hello world. Hello world. And then I want to do the char. Let char equals text dot charAt put 0. And let's see, what do we have in our browser? I need to change this to the value that we have now. And let's see the output 72. So which means that this age in Unicode character is represented with 72 digits. So you can see I can change this and say what is the Unicode of the value at maybe 6, which will be W. You see 87. If I say at 8, what can you see? You see 114. So this is how Unicode character works. You can actually use this property of working with string to get a Unicode character of or use the Unicode, the charCodeAt to get the how do I put it, to get the UTF value of a character in your string, like we did with this hello world. So this is our string, and then trying to get a Unicode value of a character is why we are using this value to get it. So if you count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the value at 8 will be held, and the Unicode equivalent will be 114. So this is all about using the JavaScript string charCode to return the code of the character at a specified index in a string. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.